Digital signals can only be represented with fixed symbols like 0 and 1. But how do you get those zeros and ones? Well, it turns out that they're formed from voltage. Digital signals can have both a high level and a low level. And so what this means is that at 0 volts, the signal is considered a digital 0, and then at some high voltage, say like 5 volts, the signal is considered a digital 1. As it turns out, digital isn't quite this absolute. Depending on the transistor technology being used, there is a range that the signal might be considered a 0 or 1. For example, on this Arduino Uno, a digital 0 is considered 0 volts up to 0.5 volts, while a digital 1 is anywhere from 3.5 volts up to 5 volts. And so there's these two bands where there's the low and the high. The area between the low and the high is an undefined area. A digital signal with a voltage in this zone could either be considered a 0 or a 1. Because digital logic needs to have a value associated with it, this undefined region will get turned into 1s or 0s. Problem is, we can't always predict which one that they will be. The key to understanding the difference between analog and digital is to remember that analog voltages continuously change, while digital voltages have defined levels. When you step back and think about it, it kind of turns out that digital signals are actually analog signals where the voltage levels have special meanings.